Good morning students, how are you all? I am your teacher from Cambridge Public School. This is your English, this is your EVS workbook and EVS workbook and topic are wild animals. You know what are wild animals? Wild animals lives in a forest. कहाँ रहते हैं wild animals? Wild animal lives in a forest. And these all are wild animal like lion, like tiger, like bear, like giraffe, like zebra. These all are wild animal. Okay. First, you mention the date. What is the spelling of date? D-A-T-E, date. And which date going on today? Whenever you do this work, you mention their डेट. ओके, जब भी आप ये वर्क करोगे आप पहले डेट हमेशा ऑलवेज यू मेंशन द डेट. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ सब्जेक्ट? SUBJECT, सब्जेक्ट. एंड विच सब्जेक्ट इज दिस? दिस इज EVS. EVS. एंड व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ क्लास? CLASS, class. And which class do you study? I study in K2 class. Okay, this line is our classwork and this line is our homework. Let's start. First we write here animals name, wild animals name. Lion. This picture is lion. You write here what is the spelling of lion? LION, lion. Yes, you write, everyone write in your workbook LION, lion. Okay, you also write in your workbook LION, lion. You speak and write LION, lion. Next is bear. BEAR, bear. You also write in your workbook BEAR, bear. Next is giraffe. GIRAFFE, giraffe. Okay. Next and fourth is zebra. ZEBRA. You also write in your workbook LION, lion. BEAR, bear. GIRAFFE, giraffe. GIRAFFE, giraffe. ZEBRA, zebra. And next is tiger. TIGER, tiger. Yes, you also write in your workbook LION, lion. BEAR, bear. GIRAFFE, giraffe. ZEBRA, zebra. TIGER, tiger. Okay, next is fox. This is page number 39. This page number 38 and this page number is 39. You do what? Page number 38 and 39. Okay. Next is fox. FOX, fox. You also write in your workbook FOX, fox. FOX, fox. Next is MONKEY, monkey. MONKEY, monkey. This is monkey. MONKEY, monkey. These all are animals are live in a jungle. ये सारे animals कहाँ रहते हैं? जंगल में रहते हैं. Next is deer. DEER, deer. Okay, you also write DEER, deer. Next is elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. PHANT elephant, FOX fox, MONKEY monkey, DEER deer, ELEPHANT elephant. Okay, next number 10 and last is kangaroo, KANGROO, kangaroo, KANGROO, kangaroo. Okay, MONKEY monkey, DEER deer, ELEPHANT and last is kangaroo. Okay, you also do this work page number 38 and 39 in EVS workbook with help your mother. Okay, bye student.